Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Okay, so this video going to explain about your activity today because you are not going to have the maths online class, but you are going to play. And the game is Treasure Hunter Map. Okay, so in this game you will use your previous knowledge about map scale. And yep, without any further ado, let's start. Okay, let's start with the things that you will need. First, you will need a paper. It will be perfect if you have the blank paper. And then you also need pen and your device. It can be your computer or laptop or even your phone or tablet. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain into two ways. First is using your computer or laptop, and second, you are using your phone. So let's start. Now let's open your Google Classroom and find out the assignment. Click on the assignment and here you will see the details. You will have two kinds of file. Here is the Google Slides and here is the Google Form. So after you play the Google Slides, and then you have to fill the form to submit where is the treasure location. Okay, so now let's go into the Google Slides over here. Okay, now you can see the Google Slides open, and let's go to the next page. Here you have the background information. It's like the story where it's began, and then please help us to find it. It's meant to find out the long lost treasure location. Okay, and go to the next slide to see the direction. Okay, let's go to the next slide. And here, where is the treasure location? Okay, and you can read here, use the scale on map to help you to locate the treasure. The scale equals to 1000 kilometers, and the scale is split into 5 sections. And then with this information, use the following direction to locate the treasure. So here we have the direction where we should start the journey, and then where we have to go, how long, and so on and so forth. Okay, now let's see the maps on the next page. Okay, here you will have the map, and as you can see, okay, so from 0 to 1000, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 sections. Do you know how long or what is the distance for one section? Yeah, you need to divide 1000 with 5. So from here until this one, or for one square, it will equals to 200 kilometers. Okay, and yeah, first of all, you need to take your paper. Okay, so you already have your paper and your pen with you. Now let's start. Use the corner of the paper here, and then put it on the top of the slides and give a mark on one section. So it will be from here until this one. It will be 200 200, right? 200 kilometers. And then here will be another 200, so 400. And then here will be 600, and here will be 800, okay? And until here will be 1000 kilometers. So now you have your own ruler based on the scale in your Google slide or in your map. Okay, then what will we do with the paper now? Let's go back to the direction. Okay, let's start the journey at the red X. Map is on the next page, and move the arrow to help you track your progress. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Okay, here, so it will start over here, and we need to move the arrow on the start position over here. Okay, then go to the next to previous page to see the direction. Go north 100 kilometers. Okay, go north. Okay, north it means upside. Here you can see the compass. Okay, so it means go to upside, but you have to go 100 kilometers. Let's see here. We only have 200 kilometers, 400 kilometers, 600 kilometers, 800 kilometers, and 1000 kilometers. What should we do? Yup, we have to divide this length into two parts, so we will get 100. How to make it? You can use your ruler or any kind, but for me, I will try to fold the paper and then divide it into two until the mark. Okay, so after I fold it, I open and then mark here in the middle of it. Okay, so yeah, go north 100 kilometers. So from here, from this mark, I have to go 100 kilometers. So I have to go this length. Okay, now put the paper on the top of your Google Slides. Okay, make a mark over there and then move the arrow. Okay, let's put like this. Okay, and move the arrow until on the corner of it. Okay, so first you go north 100 kilometers and then go to east 200 kilometers. Okay, let's find out. Do we have 200 kilometers? Yes. Okay, it's from the corner until 200. Now let's move to the east. It means to the right 200 kilometers from the corner, the arrow. Okay, so need to move until here. So move your arrow and you got here, and so on. Just need to follow the direction. Okay, and then the end of the arrow will show you the location of the tracer. Okay, and then where is the tracer location? Did you find it? Good job, and then let's submit your answer and see if it's correct or not. Click on the link below. So here you can click on the link and click it here. Okay, it will open the Google form, or you can access it from your Google Classroom. Okay, here you can add your emails, name, class, and then where did the tweezer. Please type your answer here. To know the name of the place, you need to go to the next page of the maps. So this is the map that you are using to find out the location, and then this is the list of the name. So we have temple, mountain, Eton Ground, pyramid, shelter, cocoa groves, full shades, and lake. Wherever the arrow stop, it's mean the location. So you can type the name of the location. Now we are go back to the treasure hunter, and if you type the wrong place, for example, you are typing maybe mountain, okay, so here you can see the message, oops, that's not it, try again. It means your answer is incorrect, so you have to try again and find out which one is the correct location of the treasure. Okay, that's all for the tutorial in using your laptops or computer. So this is the tutorial using phone. Basically it will be the same. Open the assignment and then you will have the link and your work. So swipe it up and you can see the Google Slides. So click on it and wait. You have your Google Slides open, but what you have to do first is make it landscape, not portrait, by rotate your phone. Okay, auto rotate and rotate your phone so it will be more wide. Okay, and yep, you have to scroll it down, read the background information, and yep, basically it's about how they found the maps, and then what they are going to find is the treasure, and you have to follow the direction. So the next page will be the direction. It will be the same. Use the scale on the map to help you locate the treasure, and then the scale equals 1,000 kilometers, and it's split into 5 sections. So each square is 200 kilometers. Just the same with the computer or laptops. And now this is the direction. Let's go to the map. Okay, as you can see here, we have the scale from 0 into 1,000. What you have to do is basically the same. The difference is only based on the phone. And here you have to make sure you are not zooming in or zooming out your phone. So make sure it's fixed. Okay, now grab your paper and do the same. Mark on the one section. Okay, so here from 0 until the first section, so 0 until this will be 200 kilometers, and then yeah, this is going to use as the ruler. So you are going to use this as a ruler when you move the arrow. Okay, the difference from phone and from computer just on the scale. So after you got the scale, just do the same with the tutorial in using computer or laptops. and you will get the result. Okay, and here on the next page you can see the place name. Next, after you find the tracer location, please submit your answer and see if it's correct or not. Just click on the link below and it will automatically go to the Google's form, and enter your email address, your name, choose your class, and where did you find the tracer. Okay, so that's all the explanation about the tutorial Tracer Hunter Map game. I hope you can understand and enjoy the game. Don't forget, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the Google Classroom. Goodbye!